Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I would like to show you how I made this Starburst wall hanging. I use products from Dollar Tree. So let's get started. So you'll need a glue gun and glue sticks. And the mirror I chose was from Dollar Tree, the one with the suction cups. You'll also need decorative bamboo reeds from Dollar Tree as well, as well as spray paint and cutters. And the spray paint can be the color of your choice. I chose white to go with the trim in my home. Begin by removing the cardboard from the mirror and also remove the suction cups from the back of the mirror. These are easily removed by sliding them up to the larger part of the hole and just taking them out, as you can see here. If you choose to spray paint your mirror, then you'll need to use painter's tape to safely cover the mirror portion so that you won't paint it, of course. Now I'm just going to remove the painter's tape from the mirror. And again, you can choose to paint this mirror whatever color of your choice, or if you opt to not paint it at all and leave it the original color of purchase, which was black. I think it'll look great either way. Here's the fun part. Now you'll need to get the reeds that you purchased from Dollar Tree and begin to cut them into different sizes for the Starburst. It does not matter what sizes they are. You can choose the sizes that you would like and randomly just cut different sizes. As you can see here, I've cut several different pieces and I'm going to start to assemble this project by applying just a small bit of super glue. And I found it best to roll the reeds into the super glue and then place them on the mirror so they can adhere. It seemed to work better that way. And you'll just continue to add reeds all the way around. As you can see here, it's really starting to fill out as I continue to add the various sizes of reeds in the circular pattern. So just continue to add your reeds and keep going. This looks great. It's filled and it looks amazing. Now we need to apply something to hang it. I'm using jute twine that I also purchased from Dollar Tree. So I tied a knot on one end and placed the knot inside one of the holes. I used scissors, as you can see, to push it down into the hole. I cut off the rest of the jute twine and made another tie on the other end in a knot and placed that side of the knot into the other hole as well. Use my scissors to push it down. I'm going to add just a little bit of hot glue just to keep it in place, so when I hang it on the wall it doesn't accidentally pop out. Okay, so finishing up, I will check for any spaces on the Starburst wall hanging. And as you can see here, I'm placing reeds where I applied the jute. And I'm going to use hot glue to adhere them onto the wall hanging. It's completed. This was very fun to make. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and this project, the Starburst Wall Hanging. Enjoy!